Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to construct histogram for given frequency table. Let's take example. Construct histogram for the following frequency table. There is a frequency table which have two rows. In the first row, number of days absent, the data of the student are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you are observing this is an ascending order. In the second row, number of students are given, which is 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, and 1. This is an order. This row is contains an order, no order here. So, first decide which row will be on x-axis and which row is on y-axis. So, remember, be careful and remember, in the y-axis, we have to write frequency, and on the x-axis observation will be here. So you have to decide for the frequency table which row is the for frequency and which row is for observation. Normally the second row in the examination in Cambridge 4024 examination, the second row normally will be for frequency, and if the row which have not in order, the numbers which have not in order will be frequency. So the second row is for frequency, and first row is for observation. For histogram, frequency or frequency density must be on y-axis and observation will be on x-axis. So the frequency is number of students. So I'm going to write number of student frequency on y-axis. So number of students this is frequency, and number of days absent will be on x-axis. So number of days absent on x-axis. So in the number of days absent, data will be data is starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and number of days which is frequency 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, 1. So on y-axis, I'm going to write 1. The lowest value is 1, and the highest value is 5. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lowest value is 1 here, and the highest value is 5. So I'm going to distribute y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for observation, which will be on x-axis, I'm going to how to write these values on x-axis. So take the big square, 4 by 4 square here. I think 4 by 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 by 4 square. If there is a 5 by 5 square here, you have to write down on the mid, mark 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So on the mid of this square, of the big square, 4 by 4 square, I'm going to mark 1. Then this 4 by 4 square, mark the second value, which is 1 here. On the first value, it was 0. It was 0, and the second value is 1. So I'm going to mark 1 here. Third value is 2. Third value is 2, and the fourth value is 3 here. So fourth value is 3. fifth value is 4. So in the mid, fifth value all will be 4 here. And the last value is 5. So the last value is 5. Now, start how to draw this. So for number of students 1 here, in the first column, number of student 1 with 0 absent. I'm going to draw the histogram 0. The height is 1, the frequency is 1 here. On the next column, this is 1 and 3. So 1 and the frequency is 3 here. So draw a rectangle which this. In the third column, number of absent on x-axis is 2 and number of student frequency on is 2 also. So 1 and 2. In the fourth column, number of student is 3 and the corresponding frequency is 5. So 3 and 5, so corresponding frequency is 5. Rectangle, the length of the rectangle is 5 and the width is 1 square. This is a. And the second last column, number of students is 4 and the frequency, corresponding frequency is 2 here. So number of students is 4 and the corresponding frequency is 2. So draw the rectangle 2. In the last column, number of students is 5 and number of student, the frequency is 1, corresponding frequency is 1. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. This is complete histogram for the given frequency. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood how to construct histogram for frequency table. If you are not getting the idea, watch video again and again, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you very much.